In the year 2035, our cities are more vibrant and alive than ever before. Thanks to incredible advances in technology and the energy transition, innovative air mobility has become a reality. And the skies above our cities are used for all sorts of flying vehicles. From emergency drones, inspection drones, small delivery drones, and a few regional air taxis. These incredible machines are enabling us to move more efficiently and conveniently around our cities, and are transforming the way we live and work. Part of the success is the connection between innovative air mobility and urban planning. The development and use of drones in urban environments will likely have an impact on the way cities are planned and organized. For example, the introduction of air transportation systems could affect the placement of multimodal mobility hubs and the way we design our buildings, as we want to add landing pads to our existing mobility systems. And it could also affect the placement of roads and highways. Hi, I'm Sarah. Let me be your guide as we uncover the possibilities of our world in 2035.